Here we divide 133 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 3. So now it became 13. So 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is also no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take zev. So now it became 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get zev. So 133 divided by 2 we got 66 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.